As-Salaamu Alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll learn how to make sandwich buns. For sandwich buns we need 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, quarter cup of sugar, 5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 4 eggs, 1 stick of butter and 2 teaspoons of salt. But before we get started, please punch in the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. First, add 1 cup of milk to the bowl and warm it up. I'm using a half cup measurement here, so I'll be adding it twice. Next, add yeast to the warm milk. Now add sugar and mix it well. Cover it and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Now in a mixer bowl add 5 cups of flour. Add eggs. Next add softened or room temperature butter. Add salt. Add the yeast mix. Go ahead and mix all the ingredients using a dough hook. Mix your dough for at least 10 minutes. Now grease the bowl thoroughly with oil. I'm using olive oil here. Now transfer the dough in this bowl. If your dough is very sticky, you did not do anything wrong. This is how it is supposed to be. Cover the bowl with a cloth and let it rest for 1 hour. Now, flour your surface and knead the dough. Now pat the dough gently and cut it out, whether you want it small or large. Now grease your baking tray. I have used an aluminum foil to line it up. You can even line it with a parchment paper or directly bake it on a tray. Round the dough into your desired size and line it up properly on the baking tray. Make sure you leave some gap in between. Cover it up and let it sit for 30 minutes. I'll repeat the same thing on my other baking tray. Now brush the buns with egg wash. Check the link of my video in the description box below on how to make a perfect egg wash. Sprinkle it with some nigella seeds or sesame seeds, or you can add both. Bake it at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes and you're done. Take it out from the oven and let it cool down completely. So if you guys liked my recipe, please try it and let me know in the comments below how they turned out for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time with yet another recipe. Don't forget to like my video. Till then, take care, stay safe.